أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الناس اعبدوا ربكم الذي خلقكم والذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. O mankind, worship your Lord who has created you and these before you in the hope of attaining piety. الذين جعل لكم الأرض فراشا والسماء بناء وأنزل من السماء ماء فأخرج به من الثمرات رزقا لكم فلا تجعلوا لله أندادا وأنتم تعلمون. The one who has appointed the earth a base for you and the sky a canopy and cause water to pour down from the sky, thereby producing fruit as food of for you, and don't knowing set up reveal to Allah. وإن كنتم في ريب مما نزلنا على عبدنا فأتوا بسورة من مثله وأدعوا شهداءكم من دون الله إن كنتم صادقين. And if you are in any doubt concerning what we have sent down upon our distinguished bound man, Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, bring forth a single surah equal to it and call upon all your supporters other than Allah if you are truthful. فإن لم تفعلوا ولن تفعلوا فاتقوا النار التي وقودها الناس والحجارة أعدت للكافرين. And if you are unable to bring forth, and we declare that we can never bring one, then fear the fire, the fuel of which is man and stones, keep ready for the disbelievers. وبشر الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أن لهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار كلما رزقوا منها من ثمرات الرزق قالوا هذا الذي رزقنا من قبل فأتوا به متشابها ولهم فيها أزواج مطهرات وهم فيها خالدون. And give glad tidings to those who believe and do good deeds, that for them are gardeners beneath which rivers flows when they are provided with a fruit of the gardens, they will say, and this is the same food as what we given to us before, whereas it's in resemblance and in the gardens are poor spouses for them, and they shall abide in it forever. إن الله لا يستحيي أن يضرب مثلا ما بعوضة فما فوقها فأما الذين آمنوا فيعلمون أنه الحق من ربهم وأما الذين كفروا فيقولون ماذا أراد الله بهذا مثلا يضل به كثيرا ويهدي به كثيرا وما يضل بهم إلا الفاسقين. Indeed, Allah doesn't, for the sake of explanations, share to illustrate an example of anything, whatever, whether it's of a gain, of something further than it, so the believers know it's the truth from their Lord. As for the believers, they say, what does Allah intend by such an example? He misleads many thereby, and He guides many thereby, and with it, he misleads only those who are rebellious. الذين الذين يتخذون أخذ الله بعد ميثاقه ويقطعون ما أمر الله به وأن يُصَلَّ ويفسدون في الأرض أولئك هم الخاسرون. And those who break the covenant of Allah after the ratifying it and serve what Allah has ordered to join and who cause turmoil, evil, religious chaos. In the earth, it's they who are the loser. فكيف تكفرون بالله وكنتم أمواتا فأحياكم ثم يميتكم ثم يحييكم ثم إليه ترجعون. What has made you disbelieve in Allah, whereas you were dead and He gave you life? Then He will give you breath that then bring you to life again, and then it's to Him you will return. هو الذي خلق لكم في الأرض جميعا ثم استوى إلى السماء فسواهن سبع سماوات وهو بكل شيء عليم. It's He who created for you all that's in the earth. Then He inclined toward the heaven, therefore fashioning it's as proper seven heavens and the know everything. وإذا قال ربكم للملائكة إني جاعل في الأرض خليفة قالوا أتجعل فيها من يفسد فيها ويسفك الدماء ونحن نسبح بحمدك ونقدس لك قال إني أعلم ما تعلمون. And remembers when your Lord said to the angels, I am about to place my calf in the earth. They said, will you place as a calf one who will spread turmoil in it and shed blood. Whereas we glorify you with praise and proclaim your sanity. He said, I know what you do. Sadaqallahul Aliyyil Azim.